Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. Today is my lecture number 9. In my previous lecture, inshallah in coming time, I will give you review of my lectures in easy language that you people understand well. In my ninth lecture, I again repeat summer house. Basically, dear student, Lady Maban has written 2 letters. One letter was written to Mr. Rodolphe Rosendal. He is a hero or the crown king of Ruritania. And the second letter was written to Princess Flavia by Lady Maban at her own will. I repeat, 2 letters were written by Lady Maban. One to Rosendal by the command, by the order of Black Michael. And the second letter was written by Lady Maban to Princess Flavia at her own will. As you know, why Lady Maban has written first letter Rosendal, as I told you in summer house what happened. It was a plan by Michael to kill Rosendal. Why he wants to kill Rosendal? Because he wants to become a crown king himself. I mean, Black Michael wants to be a crown king. If Rosendal would be killed by Black Michael's man, there should be only one person, who's Rodolphe Albul, already captured, kidnapped by the criminal people, Blanche of Ruritania. As I mentioned in my 8th lecture, as you know very well. Now, my dear student, I always try in a simple manner, in a simple language, that you people get my lecture easily. Nothing else there's no my way, there's no my intention that how I speak some bombastic words. No. Now I come to the second letter to Flavia. Dear student, why Lady Maban has written a letter to Flavia? What was a need? Why she was writing a letter to Flavia? No doubt. As you know, Lady Maban was a high celebrity, a chief guest, a special guest by Michael. And she was very fond of Michael. She was loving to Michael. Then why she was telling a secret of Michael to Flavia? Why? One question is always raised. Why Lady Maban betrayed Black Michael? This was a betray. When she returned first letter to Rosendal, she told Rosendal, you should be very careful. Michael is not a good person. Maybe he should harm you. He should kill you. His people will come in 20 minutes. So Rosendal was pre-planned with his Sept and his own loyal servant. And he went to summer house and come back safely with the help of iron top table and something which I told in my earlier lecture. Now I am coming again to the lecture because this is a common psyche of women. When woman shows some sincerity with the person he is becoming his partner in her life, she devotes her own life, her own devotion, own manners. She can devote. She has one vision to devote everything for the person who becomes her partner. But Michael was not. Michael was a lusty man. Michael was not sincere to any person who is living in Ruritania. As you know, because he was very selfish fellow man. He was very, such a meanest person. It's a villain, rascal villain. So, once I told you, when in his house, Michael in a drunkard position, he says, you say, I know I don't have an interest in Lady Maban. I don't have interest in Lady Maban, but I have interest in Flavia. I want to get married with Flavia. Why he was trying to get married with Flavia? Because he wants to get the throne of Ruritania. Unless I have no interest in Flavia. What? Unless I have no interest in Flavia. So my dear student, as you know very well what I am saying. So the second letter, Flavia wants, Lady Maban has written a letter to Flavia and she won Flavia. and she wrote it, Flavia, be careful. Be careful from the clutches hand of some criminal hands of Michael. He is very corrupt man, he is very meanest person. And please, Rosendal save Flavia because Michael is no sense of any person. So he wants to get Flavia just because of his status. My dear student, my point is that Flavia, as you know, she's a real inherit. She's a real one, you say that a real queen of Ruritania. The people love her very much from the core of her. So my the question is, Lady Baban, when she was abused by Michael, so she became very much upset, she became very much deprived. And she said, okay, if I am deprived, if I am suffered, if I am abused by Michael, I will not let down to Flavia. So this was my vision, when she has written a letter to Flavia, oh Flavia, please save yourself from the clutches hand of Michael because he is not sincere with you. Even he is no sincere with any person who lives in Ruritania. So this was the main reason when she has mentioned, she has warned that Flavia, be careful because Michael wants to get the throne and even he killed all the people who belongs to real family, crown family, the family of king, the family of Ruritanian lords. So he wants to get you and he has no purpose just because to get the throne. So this was the main reason. Now the question raised always in this my ninth lecture that why Lady Maban has written a letter to Rosendal or why Lady Maban has written a letter to Flavia. Why she has disclosed the secrets of Michael because she was already captured when she said how I was sincere with Michael just because I get the high status and he abused me. There's no my honor. He lost my prestige, my value, my honor, my importance. Then why I just led to debase Flavia, led to get down Flavia. She's very innocent. She's very cute. She's very charming lady of Ruritania. So she couldn't try to humiliate the status of Flavia. So in this way, she has written a letter to Flavia and she warned her, Flavia, be careful about the clutches hand, about the wrong aspect of Michael because he is not sincere with any person regarding Ruritania. So this was my dear student, this was the main reason what happened in Summer House when the first letter was written to Rosendal, what was the reason behind to write a letter to Rosendal, and what the second letter to Flavia, and the role of Maban and Michael. Maban is also a lady lust of higher status and Michael is only a person who's a criminal, as you know. So the Michael has no interest. He's a corrupt politician in that time. So this is really Sir Anthony Hawken Hope's such a evolute writing style that he has mentioned 18th century. In that time, what politics is going on, same we are seeing in our country, and the wrong politicians, how they play a role, very insincere with their own people. My dear students, same, the Maban is a lady. Now she tried to save the people of Ruritania. First she tried to save Rosendal, and she told all the way how you will come in Summer House and how you will save. You will go safe from Summer House. It was all by Maban. And then again she tried to save Flavia from the clutches hand of Mr. Michael. He's a criminal and he's a criminal mind. He has some personal bodyguard. They are always ready to kill at the command of Michael. So this was my lecture, my dear student, that why Lady Maban has written a letter to Flavia. What reason behind? Reason, when she was abused, now she was trying to save Flavia's life, her image, her status. She never tried to let down the image, her status, or honor of Flavia by the hand of Michael, because Michael is only the one to get the throne by hook or by crook, So this was my motive to focus you people through my 9th lecture. Inshallah, I continuously in my 10th lecture I will tell you what happened after all, what was the reaction by Flavia that she has received a letter from Black Michael. So I hope, my dear student, you will understand well what I convey you. I am trying to speak with you people in a simple way, simple language that you understand well. I hope you will enjoy my lecture and you will understand well. So inshallah, in my 11th lecture, in my 10th lecture, I will tell you something beyond, something new about novel. Thank you, dear student.